This is the David Rumsey Map Collection. They have maps pertaining to many locations, topics, and periods of history. I will be showing you how to search a topic and view the maps. In the top right corner, type your topic into the search bar and press Enter. On the left, you can see several ways to refine your search. Scrolling down, I have selected one map of interest to the World War II topic. If you hover over the map, it gives you more details. There are many functions that you can use on this site, but today we are just going to view it. Click on the outward-facing arrows to enlarge the image. There is a slider button toward the lower half of the screen to control the size of the map. You can grab the map and move it around for different views. To exit, you can click Back to Media or the backward arrow. Good luck with your search!